The Zimbabwe gold currency is on the brink of collapse. Here's what you need to know. The Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, or ZANU-PF, is sounding the alarm. Spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has called on President Emerson Mnangagwa to urgently make the Zimbabwe gold currency, or ZWG, the sole legal tender. Why? Because the ZWG, introduced in April to replace the inflation-ravaged Zim dollar, has already lost 40% of its value. Rising prices and a preference for foreign currencies are wreaking havoc on the economy. Mutsvangwa accuses manipulative forces of destabilizing the currency system. He insists that making ZWG the only legal tender will stop these arbitrage opportunities. He also lauded the licensing of Starlink, claiming it will bypass corporate greed and offer direct sales to consumers. Zimbabweans, brace yourselves. The financial landscape is shifting rapidly, and the future of ZWG hangs in the balance. Stay informed and stay prepared. Subscribe for updates on this developing story.